They may soon line the West Side Highway and other parts of New York's waterfront, removable steel panels up to 12 feet high, preventing river water from once again overwhelming city streets. And multiple sources say Mayor Bloomberg will call for their installation in flood-prone areas in Manhattan and possibly elsewhere. This is how they could look in Battery Park before a storm, which could turn into this without the protection. It's the same concept behind permanent Dutch storm surge barriers, but with key differences, including price.
The fact that it's removable, it has this benefit of least environmental impact and least impact to the community in terms of access to the waterfront.
Sources say the mayor's team is suggesting at least one permanent barrier at Newtown Creek, the toxic waterway between Brooklyn and Queens. Off the coast, there are more subtle measures to tamp down wave sizes out at sea. A pilot program in Staten Island could include man-made islands and wetlands. Bloomberg is also expected to call for dunes along the Rockaway Peninsula and on Staten Island's South Shore, still recovering from Sandy. A City Hall spokeswoman says no final decisions have been made. The mayor's team has been talking to experts, but oceanographer Malcolm Bowman says the total proposed approach is too piecemeal.
I think we have to do what Governor Cuomo has asked for, and that's an engineering analysis of storm surge barriers across the major entrances to New York Harbor, Rockaway to Sandy Hook, and then the Upper East River, because nothing less will protect the major airports, the shipping facilities, all the infrastructure that we saw devastated during Sandy.
Others say those barriers could cause more trouble on land that is not protected, not to mention cost too much and take too long to build.
Bloomberg is expected to argue that climate change means the city has to move quickly, and he'll certainly want his successor to continue these plans after he leaves office in 7 months. In Manhattan, Josh Robin, New York 1.